description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Reader coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is a show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got one that came by way of Mark. Mark was the one who sent me the Tom Kha of this. Thank you. And James is the one who sent the pork, beef? I can't remember. And this one, which is the Thai Panang style, and this is like a a lime curry thing going on, and I'm really hyped on this one. So yeah, howdy do. Howdy doodly do. So this gets cooked for 4 minutes? 3 minutes? 4 minutes? Let me make sure I know what I'm doing here. Four minutes. Alright. So putting it on the heat. Getting the boil going, and here we are. And you're knee deep in the action, folks. Boy, the things I do for you. But yeah, so what's going on today? Not much. Should be mellow. I'm looking forward to hoping that it is mellow. Not a bunch of crap. I was thinking I ought to do a couple unboxings so I can prep for upcoming things, but we'll see. But I do have two I gotta get done. One's a new brand called Bias, and I think I might just rush their stuff because they just launched. I hope it's good. I really do. It's funny, I see brands pop up and say, oh my god, they have like this material with people doing testimonials. You know, this is so good. I've never had anything like this. It's so good. Oh my god. And then that was any. And then it ended up being like absolute, total, unadulterated garbage. I mean, it was shit. It was the worst thing. The flavor, the soup base on that one was great, but the noodles are like chewing on rubber bands. I was really stoked on that one. They said they reformulated it. They've got a new style of noodle. I asked them for samples. They didn't send me any, which tells me, oh, I see. It's still like rubber bands. But their total campaign was complete BS. That's my take on it. I don't know what they were thinking or trying to do. But yeah, no. But I've gotten thanks from people who go like, wow, thank you so much for reviewing this honestly, because I totally agree with you. So yeah. Yeah, there was one flavor of the broth that I really liked. There were other ones that just kind of seemed like, this is like really not all that amazing. I don't want to cook this so hard that it erases the broth. And the noodle in this one appears to be a little thicker. I like that. I've been listening to, since Ozzy Osbourne just died, I got like the entire discography of Black Sabbath. And I've been listening to this album, Sabotage, and there's one song, it came out in 1975, and there's one song, which is like, are they ripping off Led Zeppelin? I mean, it's so Zeppelin style. It's not funny. I mean, it's like, But can we do a Zeppelin song? Well, we can make one that sounds exactly like them. Okay. It's good. I mean, it's a nice album. Some of their album covers, though, are a trip. It's like there's one that totally looks like a Daft Punk album cover. Really strange. I guess I never really listened to all that much Black Sabbath except for the big hits that were on the radio. Yeah. All right. It's showtime. Let's give it a look. Noodle appears to be engorged. I have to say, of the recent varieties that Mama Noodles have put out, I would say this range is an absolute wow, awesome, good job, bravo. The flavor profile on this that they're mentioning on the packaging, I don't know. This might be a real contender, folks. I'm not sure. But considering the Tom Kha was absolutely spectacular, this one sounds even more like it. Even spectacular-er. Well, let's see what we got for a broth here. Maybe more lime than I was expecting. Alright. Let's give it a go. Here's our noodle. Noodle's great. Look at that. I like the Tom Kha better. The Tom Kha was just absolutely wonderful. This is great, though. Very coconutty. I like this. Okay. Let's put together a bowl. I haven't used this bowl in a long time. It's due. It's due for some recognition as a bowl. As a bowl. Okay, there's you guys. No, don't run away. There you go. Some fishball. I definitely want it to look like it's had some fun swimming in the broth. I've got scallion. Let me look at my mint. Yeah, that mint just isn't ready. I need to get another mint plant is what I need to do. Maybe I'll do that this weekend. I pick at it, you know, and it has to grow back, but it doesn't like immediately grow back. Add a little basil, crushed red pepper, of course. Maybe a little sesame seed. This is a good one. If you find anything from this range, I highly recommend it. They really did some neat stuff here, and I'm stoked on that. Very savory. Lovely, lovely. Let's see how centered I got this. Pretty centered, I think. Okay. All right, Rotato. Watch it rotate. Well, thanks again for watching. It's been a great week of reviewing with you, and yeah, there'll be more coming soon. I don't know if I'm gonna just like jump right into that Why Meet the Manufacturer series. If I will, that'll be the next one. But I do have other ones that I want to kind of like push out of the way first. But there's only 3 of them, so but yeah. All right, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your instant noodles each and every day. Please like and subscribe, really helps me out. And donate if you want to go and check it out. Go to www.theramenraider.com and all of it's there. Everything. Over 5,000 reviews. Lots of great stuff. Have a good one. Bye-bye.